Mhm. Hello, this is Rockies again from H3C. Last week, we have a training about the H3C Oasis Cloud platform to manage like the Wi-Fi, the routers, the switches, okay, in different kind of environments. So during the training, there are a lot of questions, okay, from the partners, and they ask about what is the market position of Oasis platform, what is it doing. So that's why I would like to record a short video to explain to my partners how Oasis platform perform and what is the Oasis target market and what is the position. To understand Oasis cloud platform is pretty easy. Just like you have a lot of the equipment like Wi-Fi access point, some of the networking equipment. You want to simplify the management. So we put, okay, the management in the cloud, which is the Oasis platform. So normally, Oasis Cloud is very, very good in some of the scenario, like a small enterprise rollout or retail branches. In this network diagram, you see already in the cloud, in the internet, our H3C Oasis already launched in the market. And say, for example, if you have a very small office, in your office, then you can put one of our product called WX1800. And this is a small access gateway together with a controller features with the PoE functions. So your Wi-Fi AP PoE devices can be connected directly to this small controller. So all your Wi-Fi devices like your mobile, your computer can connect to the network. And at the same time, this device will be managed and connected back under our Oasis platform. Imagine this customer, this small office, they got another maybe two retail outlets. And the small retail outlet, sometimes, okay, they need to go to there to work. So it's a small place, maybe one AP is good enough. So you can put one AP in one shop, another AP in one shop, and all this managed under by the H3C Oasis Cloud. So we can support what we call the multi-authentications and various portal page. It means if you are running your retail shop, we can provide a portal page, a guest login for your customer. And at the same time, for your staff going to this shop 2 and shop 3, they can use the predefined username and password to log in to maintain the security. Sure, we provide another feature called the smart O&M operation and maintenance, and also to help you to troubleshoot all the devices connected. So normally, when you deploy multiple branches, multiple sites, okay, with different equipment, Oasis Cloud can provide a very easy deployment and also very secure deployment for the whole network. So this is one of the scenarios that we mentioned. Another scenario, we are talking about the cloud solution for the hotel network, like some budget hotel, some middle-end hotel, even the high-end hotel. Right now, all the hotels, they are thinking about how I can stream down my operating costs. How can I stream down the cost for maintenance and support? So the cloud platform provides another simple way for them to centralize different places, different budget hotel. You just plug the AP with a small controller there, and then you can manage everything over our Oasis cloud platform. So the cloud O&M based on the web pages, and also we offer another app, okay, over the mobile, and you can manage all the device easily. In terms of the management and the control and these features, some partners come to me, Rockies, when I deploy this in the hotel network, how about the billing? How about some of the management features? If say I am the management service provider, I want to serve maybe 10 customers, 10 hotels. How can I do the management for the 10 hotels at one time? So these are some of the key points I would like to share with my partners. So here the important note, okay, I want to mention to my partners. First of all, you have to bear in mind, Oasis platform, we are target for small to medium-sized network. We are not targeting for very, very big network. Normally, if this is a large enterprise or a large hotel or big network, so we will propose them a controller with a lot of the AP stay on premises, not on the cloud platform. And the Oasis Cloud provide the true value based on 4 things. Simplified deployment. That means all the devices like the access point, like the routers, even the switches and the controller, all plug and play. So you don't need have a very experienced IT guy to help you to set up. The second point is unified control. Unified control means no matter how many branches you have, no matter how many APs you deploy in different places, everything will direct to the Oasis Cloud and we provide a single point, unified control and management. Sure, we also provide assurance through our AI in the Oasis Cloud, our AI technology. We can assure the service quality among all your branches and the retail network. In case there are any issues, our platform will trigger an alarm to inform the user, say, oh, you better swap the AP or you better do some troubleshoot. And finally, one of the features we are talking about the flexible authentications. When you roll out the network, normally you will serve your guests, you will serve your internal staff. Normally, you need secure connections. For your staff connectivity, you want a specific username and password. For the guests login, you may provide them some simple, login pages, web portal, together with your company advertisement. So this is one of the ways that we can provide. Regarding the billing, under the Oasis Cloud Platform, so far we don't think this is a necessary feature because the billing normally is a charge services. In terms of the Wi-Fi, so far from my experience, it's almost free everywhere. Some of the hotel may charge for premium services, but up to this moment, according to some of my friends, their feedback is the way they charge, I mean the operation cost, whatever, will be higher than the money you get back. So billing, to me, is still a question mark. Sure, for some of the large hotel, our controller, I mean the on-premises controller, can, of course, we can provide some of the accounting and billing interface to the PMS system or whatever. But the point is, for the billing over the cloud, for this kind of a small enterprise budget hotel scenario, it may not be necessary. So this feature, we may not roll out in a very short time. Another feature, we are talking about the multi-tenant. That means, if I am the managed service provider, I want to take the Oasis platform to serve 10, 20 customers at one time. So how can I do it? Sure, if you take control everything, you can have only one account. But if the user, they want to see what they have, then you may need to maintain 10 accounts for 10 customers, and each account will corresponding to one of the customer, and you can share with them and they can log to the network and see what they have deployed. So the easiness of the multi-tenant management, we are still improving. Of course, depending on the scenario, but this may be a necessary features that we may develop in very short time. So here, I'm going to share with you, this is our Oasis Cloud Platform, and this is our GUI. And as I mentioned, you see the pointer, right? Normally, we can manage all the network devices. As I said, the access point, Wi-Fi access point, the controller, the routers, and even some of the switches. And we do what we call the smart O&M, the operation and maintenance, including like the authentication requirements, the web portal design, the web portal pages design, and finally the services. So you can see all your access controller, cloud AP, routers, switches deployed in the network and their performance, their bandwidth, and the device score, whether this is healthy or not. And finally, you can see what we call the Oasis Assurance System. And you can see a very advanced GUI. We can tell you about the AP loading. We can share with you how many devices so can connect to the network, the authentications devices, and also like the network health status. So this is By a very simple and intelligent GUI, the user can see the whole network situations. So thank you very much. And this is the sharing today. And if you are very interested in our Oasis platform, actually you can log in, okay, to our website and check with the Oasis, and you can create your own account and buy the AP product to connect to the cloud. So thank you very much.